If you think Santa is just a nice old man with a long white beard, replace nice with jolly, and you'll be right on the money. Stay tuned for Santa's jolliest pranks. I wonder what Santa's got in store for me this year. I really hope he hasn't forgotten what a sweet tooth I am.
Ho, ho, ho! Did somebody order candy? Chelsea, you were a good girl this year, which is why you're gonna get exactly what you asked for. I hope you've got an extra large stocking. Okay, just one more left. My very favorite. No genuine sweet tooth can resist this one. Caramel on the inside. And that delicious melt-in-your-mouth milk chocolate. Well, it is Christmas, and Santa's also been a good boy.
I don't know about that turn of events, Santa. Looks like your good boy status just went right out the chimney.
No, no, no! I've had this planned all along. Chelsea's been watching her figure, so she'll love the special diet radish candy and thank old Saint Nick. I'm certain she doesn't want to end up like me in my belly. And I'm saving her from that horrible fate.
Time to open presents. I hope Santa got all my letters. I can't wait to get this pesky wrapper off and sink my teeth into this radish. Hey, that can't be right. Maybe this last one will be chocolate. Aw, man. Guess it's back to imagining there's any justice left in this world. Santa normally uses the chimney to get in, but just because you've got a gas stove instead of a fireplace doesn't mean he can't use it to his advantage. Santa! Oh, God! Kira, Nat, Santa's stuck in the oven! 1, 2, 3, pull! Wait a second, what's this? That, ladies, is Mr. Klaus's jolly side.
Looks like Kira, Chelsea, and Natalie have been very naughty and forgot to leave milk and cookies for me. I guess I'm gonna have to get all biblical and go for an eye on them. They left nothing for me, so I'll just leave nothing for them. Nothing for Chelsea, nothing for Kira, and nothing for Natalie. And they can divvy up the rest of my nothing sack too. Merry Christmas, girls.
Wow, you guys see how full that sack is? Santa must have gotten tired of going house to house, or decided we were the best girls in the neighborhood. Balloons? Wait, were we the worst girls in the neighborhood? I knew we shouldn't have binged on his milk and cookies last night. Guys, Santa obviously held a grudge. Oh!
Everyone thinks being Santa is easy. You just need the outfit and you're set. But no, Ben, it's not like that at all. The real Santa has a real beard and a real belly. No one's gonna believe that farce you've got going on, son. I can just down a bunch of candy and get that belly, but how can I grow a beard? I just started shaving last week. Well, just because I don't have a beard doesn't mean I don't have a brain, Santa. Hey, where'd he go? Probably to use that big brain of his.
Shaving cream is normally used for, well, shaving. But what if I use it to grow a beard instead? Check it, Santa. My beard's nicer than yours now.
If that's a beard, then I'm Brad Pitt. You'll just have to wait till yours grows out long and fluffy.
If fluffy is what you want, then fluffy is what you'll get. A bit of honey and this pillow I borrowed, and my beard will be fluffier than yours has ever been, Saint Nick. Wakey, wakey, Santa. Time to admit defeat.
Defeat? You look like a 3-year-old playing dress-up. Sorry, little buddy. Just cut your losses and stop embarrassing yourself. I'll never become a real Santa without a real beard. I don't even want a PlayStation anymore. I just want a real beard. You want to switch out your Christmas present for a beard? Ben, buddy, now we're talking. Your PlayStation should keep me and my trusty elves occupied all year. Oh, I just love holiday selfies. But sweets, I love even more. And like the real prankster that I am, I know that sweets are the perfect means by which to leave someone a little salty. How do I mean? Well, not just metaphorically, but also literally. Old Santa's got quite a way with words. Anyway, you'll need some water, a bit of salt, and very little patience. One for Kira, one for Chelsea, and one for Natalie. Enjoy, my sweets.
Man, I just love Christmas ornaments. Wow, Santa actually brought us something. Hey, girls, Santa changed his mind about us. Look. I was about to eat all 3, but I figured Santa might still be around, and I don't want to mess up my karma for next year. Ew! Nat, is this your doing? Nope. I just said I didn't want to mess up my karma. I don't know what you guys are talking about. These are delicious. Feel free to finish them off, salt freak. Coming up with pranks is fun, but also pretty exhausting, huh, Santa? Well, don't let your guard down just yet. You're not the only prankster in this house. I'd particularly suggest you watch out for 2 very naughty girls named Jess and Natalie. Looks like Santa's long overdue for a visit to the barber. Mrs. Klaus has really let him go, huh, Jess?
Oh no, my beard! I've been growing it out since I was a little boy.
Thanks for choosing our salon, Mr. Klaus. Come back next year. Nat, have we really ran out of ways to prank Santa? Kira, the key to going into battle is knowing everything there is to know about your adversary. We already know Santa loves his sweets, so why not make him something sweet? Grab that Nesquik to make our version of Santa's favorite hot cocoa. Start by making some Jell-O. Then, add that Nesquik to transform the contents of this cup into something Saint Nick will be sure to watch out for many Christmases to come. Give it a good stir. And let that Jell-O cool down and do its thing. Kira, it's time for our cherry on top. This way, Mr. Klaus won't notice anything's amiss until it's too late. It looks so good. I almost want to drink it. Fine, let's just invite our guest of honor to the table.
Now that's more like it. A steaming mug of hot cocoa. Hey, what's happening? This is neither hot nor steaming. Come out, wherever you are, you little whippersnappers.
Santa, it is high time someone brought out the big guns and got you back for pretending to get stuck in our oven. for that sack filled with nothing but balloons, for that chocolate-free radish candy, and for those nasty salted candy canes. Happy Christmas morning, Santa Pooh! It's blooper time! Hit that subscribe button, give Santa a thumbs up for his efforts, and let us know down in the comments if you think it was Santa or those naughty boys and girls who had the last word. Happy holidays, and see you soon!